Hi, welcome back to Car Info Project channel. While Volvo has predominantly focused on SUVs in recent releases, the EM90 breaks the pattern as the brand's inaugural minivan, featuring dual sliding doors. Positioned beneath the expansive Geely corporate umbrella, this people hauler shares a significant foundation with the Zeekr 009, albeit with a more understated aesthetic. With 19 or 20-inch wheels designed for aerodynamic efficiency, the Volvo EM90 distinguishes itself from the Zeekr 9 with a revamped front fascia. The illuminated grille takes on a subtler appearance, and the new headlights draw inspiration from the EX30 electric SUV. While the minivan's lineage is evident in the profile, the rear receives subtle enhancements, including new taillights extending onto the pillars, aligning more closely with Volvo's design language. The streamlined mobile box offers seating for 6 across 3 rows, with the optimal experience in the middle row featuring a pair of luxurious ventilated seats. A 15.6-inch screen descends from the headliner, though some may find it relatively small compared to the BMW 7 Series 31.3-inch display. The 15.4-inch touchscreen for infotainment, nearly as large, consolidates most functions, keeping physical controls to a minimum. The central screen is complemented by a fully digital instrument cluster. Volvo highlights the versatility of the rear seats, easily transforming into a theater, meeting room, or a bedroom, with adjustments for windows, seats, screens, lighting, and air conditioning. The 21-speaker Bowers & Wilkins sound system promises a moving private concert hall. Propelled by a rear-mounted electric motor generating 268 HP, the Volvo EM90 achieves a 0 to 62 mph acceleration in 8.3 seconds. Currently, the EM90 is available in rear-wheel drive, while the Zeekr 009 offers a more powerful dual-motor all-wheel drive configuration with 536 HP and a 4.5-second sprint. Similar to its counterpart model, an extensive 116 kWh battery pack can be charged from 10 to 80% in under 30 minutes. The quoted maximum range stands at 459 miles, following the China light-duty vehicle test cycle. Resembling the EX90, the emissions-free minivan supports bi-directional charging for replenishing other vehicles or household appliances. Impressively large, it extends to 5,206 mm in length, 2024 mm in width, and 1859 mm in height. Featuring a substantial wheelbase of 3,205 mm, it weighs in at 2,663 kilograms. Volvo notes that the EM90 is currently open for pre-orders in China, where it competes with other upscale minivans like the Lexus LM and the Buick GL8. Additional markets are being considered.